How to turn $100 into a thriving business. You have $100. Right now, it's just an amount. Maybe a night out, a small tech gadget, or some clothes. But what if that $100 could change your life forever? What if that small, humble bill could become the foundation of your business empire? Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. In fact, it's the reality for countless entrepreneurs who started with less. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn your $100 into something that can help you quit your 9-to-5, give you financial freedom, and set you on the path to building a business that pays you instead of working for someone else. This isn't just theory. This is real, actionable advice. 1. The awakening. First, we need to change how you think about money. $100 is nothing until you decide what to do with it. We've all been there. $100 doesn't seem like much. But what if I told you the biggest businesses in the world started with just a small amount of capital? Some of the richest people you admire today, they were once just like you. The difference? They chose to invest in themselves, in their ideas, and in their future. The real question is, are you willing to take that first step? The moment you decide to invest that $100 in building something, instead of spending it, you're already ahead of most people. So, let's get started. Point number 1, create a high-demand service. Create a high-demand service. People need things, whether it's graphic design, social media management, writing, tutoring. There's a constant need for services in our digital world. Here's the truth, and it's uncomfortable. If you're not offering a service that people want, you'll fail fast. But here's the exciting part. With $100, you can start offering services today. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or even social media can help you get your first customers with zero overhead. Start by offering something simple, something you're good at. A lot of people think they need to have years of experience, but the truth is, people will pay you for your time and expertise, even if it's just a couple of hours a week. It's about adding value, no matter how small it seems at first. Now, what if I told you this could grow into something much bigger? Hold that thought. 2. The obstacle. The next challenge. How do you scale this idea? How do you turn that initial hustle into something sustainable? But here's the catch. Doing this isn't going to be easy. You'll face challenges. You'll have moments when you want to give up. But remember, anything worth having is worth fighting for. And the path to success? It's filled with obstacles. Not everyone will get it. Some will laugh at you. Some will criticize your hustle. But the moment you push through that fear, that's when your breakthrough comes. That's when you start to see how $100 can become $500, then $1,000, then $10,000. Scaling is all about finding systems and leveraging your time. How? Once you've found your niche, reinvest your profits into marketing, advertising, or even outsourcing some tasks to make your life easier. Point number 2, reinvest and build a personal brand. Once you've got your first customers and started building a steady stream of income, it's time to reinvest in your brand. Why? Because the power of branding can turn a small operation into a massive money-making machine. And branding doesn't need to cost a fortune. With $100, you can design a logo, set up a website, and begin posting on social media to build your presence. Here's a secret. People don't buy just from businesses. They buy from people they trust. Create content. Share your story. Connect with your audience. Be real. The more genuine you are, the more likely they are to spend money with you. This is where you go from being a freelancer to an entrepreneur. Remember, This doesn't require a ton of money. It requires consistency and effort. And trust me, once you start building that audience, they will follow you. They will support your business. They will buy from you. And they will spread the word. 3. The triumph. This is the exciting part. The result of your hard work. You've turned $100 into a thriving business. But it's not the end. It's just the beginning. You did it. That $100? It's not just a piece of paper anymore. It's the first step to something much bigger. But here's the catch. This is only the beginning. Every dollar you earn now can be reinvested into your next big move. What's the next step? Keep growing. Keep innovating. Don't get comfortable. Businesses evolve, just like you will. As you start to build your empire, think about the impact you want to make. This is your chance to build a legacy. And remember, the money will follow the value you provide. But don't take my word for it. Look around you. You can turn $100 into more. But you have to start now. Every minute you wait is a minute someone else is using to build their future. Want to know how to take it to the next level? How to turn that $100 into a six-figure business? Stay tuned for our next video. We'll show you the exact strategies to scale your business even further. Thank you for watching. Remember, the only thing holding you back from a thriving business is you. Take that first step today, and let's build something great. Subscribe and turn on notifications. See you in the next video.